Advantages and disadvantages of hostel life. Introduction. Hostel life is challenging yet exciting. It offers numerous advantages but also comes with its set of disadvantages. One can clearly tell the difference between a student who lives in a hostel and one who lives with parents and goes to a regular school. Those who get the opportunity to stay in a hostel are likely to become bolder and more confident. However, they may also incur certain negative traits. Here is a look at the advantages and disadvantages of hostel life. Advantages of hostel life. Let us first look at the advantages of hostel life. Teachers' independence. Hostel life teaches students to become more independent. They learn to take charge of their life by taking decisions solely in different situations. Boosts confidence. Students are faced with different situations and meet all types of people while living in the hostel. Dealing with different situations and people over the years boosts their confidence. Makes bolder. Students living in the hostel also tend to get bolder compared to those who live with their parents and attend regular school. They are better prepared to tackle various challenges in life. Instills discipline. Hostels have certain set of rules that need to be followed at all times. The students are expected to wake up, take bath, reach their college and sleep at the same time each day. Students who do not follow the rules are punished severely so they do not repeat the mistake. This instills discipline in them. Introduces to various cultures. Students from various cultural backgrounds come to stay in the hostels. Living with each other day in and day out, the students learn about their culture and traditions. Builds long-lasting friendships. Staying away from the family, hostel buddies are there to take care of each other. They develop an emotional connect with one another over the time. Hostel is the place where people make long-lasting friendships and memories to cherish forever. Teaches new skills. Hostel students need to do all their tasks on their own. They learn several new skills such as washing clothes, ironing them, cleaning their room, keeping their books tidy, purchasing stuff on budget and even cooking. Disadvantages of hostel life. Here is a look at the disadvantages of hostel life. Introverts may face difficulty. Introverts may have a difficult time interacting with their hostel mates and making new friends. They are often left out and cry their heart out when alone as they miss their family badly. Living far from family. Living far from the family is difficult for everyone. Many students get extremely emotional at times as they are reminded of the good times spent with their family. It is particularly difficult for the students to return to hostel after the vacations. Difficulty adjusting in family atmosphere. While initially the students get emotional at the thought of staying away from their family, living in the hostel for a few years often makes it difficult for them to adjust in the family atmosphere. They grow so accustomed to taking their own decisions and living their way that they do not like any suggestions from their parents and want to live independently. Quality of food. The students need to eat what they get whether they like it or not. No one to take care. Falling sick is the worst part. While the hostel buddies try to take care of each other, however, they cannot take care like the parents. Thus, recovering from illness often takes a lot of time. Conclusion. Hostel life offers both advantages and disadvantages. It all depends on the student on how he, she deals with it and what he imbibes from his stay in the hostel.